Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a multi-date event on Eventbrite. So let's get started. First off, go ahead and create an event. Then you want to start from scratch. And then from here, you want to start by entering your event title. So let's give it a name. For example, there we go. A summary. Let's just copy paste this. Now, head to the date and time location. What you want to do here is you want to click this plus icon. And then instead of choosing single event, you want to choose recurring event. This is for the multiple days or multi-date event. So let's go ahead and click that. As you can see here, you'll be able to add dates and times in the next step. So just proceed with the prompt here. Let's say we're satisfied, just click save and continue. Oh, let's add an allocation. Now let's wait for this one to load. All right, now on this next page, all you have to do is just choose add a date. And then from here, you want to make sure that you are choosing multiple items. And from here, you can also change how often this one repeats. Let's say daily and up to the 21st of December. So let's save that and click save. And as you can see, Eventbrite will automatically create a separate registration page for each occurrence. You can even add more dates later and even after registrations have started. And that's it. You've successfully set up a multi-date event on Eventbrite. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.